Hello,
Hello, teacher.
welcome to our speaking test for today. What's your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry, how do you spell your name?
Harry.
How are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is balloon.
Do you like dog?
They are blue.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How many rooms are there in your house?
There are
How many? 4, 5?
there are 5 big rooms.
What's in your living room?
There are TV and living room.
What can you do?
I can play football.
All right, please look at the picture and tell me how many girls are there?
2 girls.
What color is the bike? What is the color of the bike?
It's red.
Yes. How many kites are there?
0.
Can you see the dog? Can you see the dog here? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Yes. How many apples are there? How many apples? You count the apples.
5.
Yes. Which is the plane? Here, you have to choose here. Which is the plane? Here, you have to choose here. Here, yeah. Put the plane on the sky. Okay, now which is the snake? Put the snake on the tree. All right, thank you. Now, can you tell me what is this?
Onion.
Onion. What's your favorite vegetable? My.
My favorite vegetable. Broccoli.
Okay. Can you tell me what is this?
It's bed.
Yes. What's in the bedroom?
There is bed. Is bedroom.
Okay, that's the end of the test. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay.